Say hi, Uncle Sean.
Hi, Uncle Sean.
Say hi, Sean.
Hi, Sean.
Say I have Desitin on my face because I've got a rash.
I see. I see.
Talk to the baby. Say hi, Kirsten.
Hi, Kirsten.
Say Kirsten gonna have her bottle soon? Wave bye-bye. Kirsten, bye-bye. Kirsten, bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye, Daddy.